So this video is going to be another demonstration of what OpenAI can. This actually is it's an idea that's sparked by when I'm trying to enhance the Normie bot, which the Normie bot is about this customer service bot that I'm trying to put into WhatsApp, which I did already, and then I want to do the fine tuning, like train it to learn about the business models and things of my company, such that it can provide a more accurate data. Then I realized fine tuning is not really the word. What I'm looking for is actually fine tuning is part of it, but embeddings is another one. So I'm trying to get the hang of it, understanding it, and then as I'm playing with this embedding thing, I had another idea that what we can actually do with OpenAI. Um, Simple. Again, I'm just going to demonstrate. So yeah, just give me a moment. Let me. Okay, so on the screen you are seeing like it's this mini quiz machine. The idea come about is like this. So when I'm messing around with the embeddings, trying to understand it, I find several YouTube videos to learn, and then I realized that we can actually pass in big chunk text, which is like, uh, for example, any data that you want the OpenAI to learn about. I'm actually not very sure if I should keep calling this OpenAI or ChatGPT because ultimately I'm calling the APIs. So it's not really like ChatGPT. ChatGPT itself, not very sure which is the term. But anyways, so what I realize is we can pass in a data and then we ask the OpenAI to learn about it. And then we can ask the OpenAI about what is the thing about. In easy or layman term is like, just let me put a use case. So I can actually ask OpenAI to read a book, let's say Rich Dad Poor Dad. I know a bit old school, but I like the book a lot. So I can actually pass in the text file of Rich Dad Poor Dad and then ask OpenAI to go through everything, and then it will answer me on anything I want to ask about this book. So I can actually ask, what is the author of the book, or what is this book actually about? What is chapter one about? This and that. It will actually answer you. You can find out more about these YouTube videos. There's a lot of people doing that already, so I'm not going to do that. It's just that this lunchtime, as I'm talking with my mom and discussing about the OpenAI hype thing, and then because my mom is an education background, she actually teaches tuition. So what she's saying that we have an idea lah. It's like, what if we can create this an app or a simple one, and then just ask it to, quiz the student about it. Like, keep on quizzing them and things. Or you can, it become like a mini reference book. I don't know. So well, the idea is actually like, we can ask this machine to create a quiz for us. And then, we will answer accordingly and have the machine to tell you are right or wrong. That's the idea. Okay, that's the idea. So I went very hot-headed, very excited, and I go and run with it. And then I realized that I can only do the first part of it, which is getting the machine to list out the questions. I think I'm pretty much close to do the Q&A, to do the answer checking thing, but I think the time is running late. And then I just reminded myself my whole purpose is actually to, to actually learn about this, to implement it on the chatbot. So that's why I pause it here for this project. But let me just demonstrate. Okay, so you see, welcome to our mini quiz machine. And then there's this try. Yeah, we can actually, yeah, this is the biggest idea. We can generate quiz based on your school syllabus, upload your textbook. So for now, it's in TXT format. I had actually learned how to do it in PDF, but it just keeps throwing me errors, and I'm having my, Visual Studio to fix. So I don't think I can get it done by tonight. So text format first. So now let's say, let me just browse a file. And then, yeah, okay. Let's say I want this quiz machine to ask me about this paper. So this one is a paper about the ethics of OpenAI actually, this one lah. And then I converted into a text format. So let's just open it, upload it like in short. So it is now here. And then how many quizzes I want, I actually limit to 5 because now calling the API, yeah, it is starting to charge me lah. So that's why. So let me just put 5 and then get quiz. So we'll wait for a while because the OpenAI need to learn about this thing that we just uploaded. Yeah. So ta-dang, here are your 5 questions. Okay. So this is how it works now. Yeah, it should be down there. Uh, yeah, this is a bit UI thing, but in short, I want to showcase the functionality of what it can do. And I find it very fascinating. Yeah. Okay, I think I will stop my screen share. So it's very exciting, right? I don't know. As I think this thing can go very far. I'm talking not just about in the chatbot thing that time I demonstrated, but this one too, the education one. Yeah, I will do a video, a short one, on creating a front end using what I did just now. Yeah, and then I will just put it up lah. So if you guys are interested, then you will just go and have a look at the code or how I did it and things. Yeah, I think that's all. And thanks for watching. I think you can share also your thoughts and your ideas on what you actually see, how this thing can go, how far it can go, what it can do, this and that. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me more about your ideas. Maybe we can spark something here. Thank you. Bye bye.